Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Discord bot from scratch using Node.js and Discord.js. So this of course will be a tutorial series. I'm not going to be going over everything in one video, and this is not going to be a tutorial on how to install Node, how to code using Node and JavaScript. And don't flame me in the comments for not teaching you how. Go take a course on Free Code Camp or something. There are millions of different courses that you can take on YouTube. I've taken those courses before. And let's get on to making our Discord developer application. So first you're going to want to go to discord.com right up here. And you're going to want to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page here and click developers under resources, and that documentation of the Discord API. So once you're on this page here, you're going to want to come up here and click on applications. So yours will be empty here, and you might need to log in to Discord a second time. And once you've done that, you're going to want to make a new application. So here you can choose a team. I'm going to be making this personal since I have nothing else to make it. And you're going to want to make this the name of your bot or anything else. If this is a different sort of application, like you want this to be your server bot, so server name bot. This is just going to be called tutorial bot. And then once you've filled all this in, you're going to want to create. And here you can choose an icon for the application. This will not affect your bot in any way, shape, or form. And then here we have some other information like your public key for your application, the client ID, which we will be using later on in the tutorials. And that's about it for here. If you're making this with a team of other people, you're going to want to set a description here for them so that they know what's been done and what's going on. So to create your bot, you're going to want to come here to the bot section, build a bot, yes, and here's your bot. So your bot comes with a token, which is like a password for your bot's user. Don't reveal this token to anyone. It's best to keep this completely hidden so that no one except for people in your team have it. Here you're able to set the profile picture of your bot. I won't be doing that for this tutorial. I'll be making a profile picture for the next tutorial. So you're going to want to copy your bot token here, and once you have Node.js installed, you're going to want to go and look for Visual Studio Code. This is my recommended code editing software for Node.js and JavaScript. You're going to want to download it for Windows. I'm not going to be showing you how because I already have it downloaded, as you can see down here. So you're going to want to open up Visual Studio Code, and it should look something like this. So to create a project, click on File, Open Folder, go to your project folder, videos, how to code a Discord bot. I'm just going to clear this out because I already had that for an older video. So you're going to want to create a new folder. This will be our new folder, and you're going to want to select your folder. Once the folder is selected, so you might notice that Visual Studio Code will reload and it will load up the folder. Once you're here in your folder, you're going to want to click on terminal, new terminal, and that should bring up this box here. So if you've installed npm correctly and Node, you're going to want to type out npm init for initialize, and it will start to initialize your project. So first here we'll ask the name of your project. I'm just going to leave it as how to code a Discord bot. The version of your project, of course this is 1.0, so we're going to be leaving that alone. The description, this is only if you're going to be releasing this as a library package, and of course you're not going to be releasing your Discord bot, but you can still specify description if you want to. Your entry point, I like to make this bot.js, but it can be main.js, index.js, whatever you prefer. Test command, we can leave that alone. Git repository, unless you have a GitHub account and you've already created a repository for your bots, I'd suggest leaving that alone. Keywords, again, that's for npm packages and libraries. We're going to be leaving that. Author, you can type your name out here. I'm going to be typing that in. And then your license, I'm going to be keeping, I'm just going to keep it as ISC. Is this okay? Yes. Now, as you can see, it has generated a package.json for you, which is your project package. So now you're going to want to type npm I or install discord.js -- save. And this will start to install the discord.js library into your project so that we can create a bot using the Discord API. So here you're going to want to right click in the open space underneath all of your files, new file, and then the name of your main file. So I'm going to be calling this bot.js. So this main file is where all of our main code is run, of course, where we initialize the bot, we log into it using its token. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is type out const discord equals to require open brackets single quotes. It should come up with discord.js and all of your other packages and libraries, and then a semicolon at the end. The semicolon is not required, it's just good practice in your code. Once you've done that, we're going to be creating our bot client. So this can be either called client or bot. I prefer to call it client, but it's basically an instance of your bot's user. So we're going to be typing out const client is equal to new discord dot capital C client open brackets exit brackets semicolon. So that will now be creating our bot user, but it won't be online just yet when we run our code. And to bring it online, we're going to need to log it in. So we're going to client.login, open brackets, exit brackets, semicolon. So this won't be logging in using our token just yet because we need to specify the token. So first here, we're going to be using configs. And don't release your bot token accidentally on something like GitHub, because then anyone can do anything they want to your bot and they can just completely ruin it if they really want to. So how I like to make my bots is I use token files or config files. So we're going to right click here on the open space, new folder, conf, enter, click on the folder, new file, config.json. So JSON is a form of storage code that's most widely used in Java and JavaScript. It's also widely used on most websites that you'll see. So I also won't be teaching you how to use JSON in this tutorial series, but you'll get the basics of it. So in your JSON folder, you're going to want to open the curly brackets, enter, open quotes, token, exit quotes, colon, open quotes, paste your token in there. And now here we're also going to be specifying the bot prefix. So after the token and the quotes, you're going to put a comma, open quotes, prefix, exact same structure with the colon and more open quotes. And now here you can put your bot prefix. So because it's a tutorial bot, T for tutorial, T exclamation point. And then that's what I'll be setting that as. So now if you click up here on the top again, click right at the end of Discord of the Discord constant, press enter, const, config, actually no. Const, open curly brackets, enter, prefix, comma, enter, token, exit curly brackets is equal to require open single quotes dot slash, actually no, dot slash conf slash config.json, and of course end it with a semicolon. So what this will be doing is grabbing the prefix and token from your config.json file and using it in your code. So now in client.login, go back into the parentheses, type out token, and now if you go to your terminal and you type node bot and you, oh yeah, it's not going to log anything. So you need to go back to your Discord developer applications, auth2 bot, add administrator, because that gives it every single permission in your server, and copy this. Create a new server for your bot testing, because you probably don't want it to be messing up your personal server or the server with your friends that you're making this for. So you're going to want to make a new bot testing server. I'm just going to be calling this tutorial bot testing and create the server. So now with that link that you copied over here, you're going to want to take it into your browser, open it up, and you should get something like this. That will be asking you what server you want to add your bot to. So I've already selected tutorial bot testing here. You're going to want to continue, make sure that administrator is checked, and authorize. And what this will do is it will make your bot join your server. Of course, you'll probably have to go through a CAPTCHA. It's just to make sure that people don't spam bots to make Discord lag more or break Discord. It's just something that most websites do. And as you can see, our tutorial bot has joined the server and is online because it's running from the code. So one last thing that I'll be doing in this tutorial specifically is showing you how to make it log once the bot comes online. So to clear out your terminal, by the way, you're going to want to type out clear, and to stop your bot when it's running, hold Control and press C. So back to our code, type out client.once, open parentheses, single quotes, ready, comma, open parentheses, arrow function, which is like creating a function that runs our code. I don't really know how to explain it. And once you've written that out, inside of this arrow function, type out console.log. I'm not sure what exactly these are called, but add those. $, open quotes, client.user.tag, exit the curly braces, colon, now online, exclamation point. So you can now start your bot again, and as soon as the bot comes online, it should log that the bot has now come online, and if you look at Discord, there it is. Thank you for watching my tutorial. I hope to see you again in the future for the next one, and I'll be seeing you later. Bye.